Hey folks, welcome to Oregon Cashflow Pro. I've been banging my head against a wall with this problem for the last couple of days, and I finally figured out the answer and I wanted to share it with you guys. So I don't know if you've noticed, but for the last year, there's been hashtags above YouTube titles, like you see right here. This is one of the channels I like to watch, and I see he's got hashtags above the titles. And I put up a bunch of videos, and none of mine have hashtags above the titles. So I went searching, Googled it, because you can find almost everything on Google. Well, the only thing that would come up is people telling me if you put hashtags in your description, the first three will show up above the title. Well, I have hashtags in my descriptions. Let me show you one of my videos here. I have hashtags in my description. You can see right here, I've got hashtags in my description, but they're not showing up above my title. And so I've been looking and even typing directly into Google. How do I get hashtags above my title? Does me using a location for where I do my videos, does that interfere with it? And nothing would come back. Nobody has had an answer for this, or maybe nobody's asked the question. So anyways, you can see right here, I've always put in the location that I shoot the videos, thinking that somehow that might help spread the word, but I think I would rather have hashtags in there. So you can see here, we've got a location above the title in my videos. So I thought to myself, that's got to be the problem. Let's try and take off the location and see if that works. So here's what I did. You go to your YouTube Studio video editor. Let's find that video that I was looking at. You've got basic and advanced. We want to go into advanced. Now that we're in advanced, at the top of the screen is your video location. So I'm going to update my video location to none. Save it. Now we go back, look at the video, it says Springfield. We're going to refresh. Voila. We have our hashtags. Problem solved. Hope that helps you out. I don't know if you noticed, but on the sides of my videos here, we've got Videolytics. This is a TubeBuddy analytics where it tells you your views, shows you your comments, it analyzes your video, shows you your tags, and it compares it to other YouTube videos and other channels, gives you a rating. Anyway, it's pretty cool. Even the channels that you like, doesn't have to be your own channel. You can get information for all the channels that you watch and see what they're doing right, so you can try to copy them. Hopefully help your channel out. So that's TubeBuddy. I will put the link to TubeBuddy in the description. Check it out. Maybe it'll help your channel. Thanks for watching and happy creating.
Now go maximize your cash flow.